All right, so guys, today we are dropping the trans out the Lexus. Yo. It's my mechanic in crime, or
we out here.
mechanic, yeah. So we're gonna drop the transmission out of the Lex. We're gonna convert, the throw-out bearing went out, so we're gonna put a new throw-out bearing in it and convert from internal slave to external slave. So if the slave goes out in the future, we don't gotta go back in that transmission. So, yeah, stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? We'll get it done. Yeah, we're dropping the trans. We're gonna run an external slave. Delete this internal bullshit. Yeah. So dropping the trans now, a couple more bolts, and we're down. Don't judge me. Show y'all we got it down. Time to maneuver it out.
Oh yeah.
Throw it, got thrown out. Yeah. I'm gonna take care of that. So we got the ZSpeed CMAK kit. So yeah, I got my pilot line. This is gonna be mounted outside this time. Got a fork going inside. Brand new. The man himself. Got some YouTube videos coming up, so make sure y'all go check him out. Grab him and hold him. So we got him outside. I gotta take this off. Musty looking. So we're gonna give it a good little purple powder spray down and wash, you know. Get her right. Get her done. That's disgusting. That be brand new. All right, so here's my kit. As per the instrucciones, we're gonna remove these bolts. 4 or 5, one of them there. Then we're gonna bolt this on first. Screw it down, sit on the move foot. Fork assembly and all that. We're gonna set the camera up while we put this together, so. Yeah. Diagram 2. Pre-assemble this way, right? Again. Show him. So we pre-assemble these, the fork with the thorough, and then we're gonna Loctite these bolts and slide this on.
Got the same setup.
You know what I'm saying? Same setup.
Same setup.
Is that what you say, yo?
You feel me? Alright, so now you have to pre-slide them in.
Right.
Try to capture everything while you slide them in. Rubber your well firm and stiff, you know, so there we go. There we go. Adjust them up on the leading pad. That's a direct fit, boy.
Y'all see
I
that?
tell you what.
Yeah, they can see.
Z1.
Ooh.
Z1.
Ooh.
ZSpeed got something on you, bro. That's all I'm saying.
You gotta do no adjustments, papi. I don't know.
Perfect.
I'm not gonna shop anywhere else. ZSpeed, I love you.
ZSpeed, shout out, my friend.
I tell you, I love you so much.
Marsh.
The love is real for me.
Shout outs to my poppy out there, man. All my poppies and my mommies out there. Shout outs, yo. Love that.
What's it? Tres blochos?
Tres Glocho gang, you feel me? Like, we out here.
Put a little Loctite on there. Make sure the lock is tight on there.
You feel me?
You know what I'm saying? On the motherfucking gang.
You feel me? This shit is a
So, we test it up, fit it up, see how it looks.
Good.
Don't forget to grease your pivot points, for lots of better words, to make sure you don't get any arthritis kind of vibe while popping that clutch. You know what I mean?
Get that heavy duty grease up in there.
Heavy duty. Okay. They're the one of your multi-vehicle heavy duty. Okay.
You feel me?
I gotta be a thought, bro.
I'm a thought. Give me lit.
Go away.
Hey.
Wait.
Hey. Turn it up. Baby. Lower your tone. That's how she like it. Nice and lube.
What?
You like that feel when it's friction dry. You want to tighten these things on a crisscross pattern. That way you get that even flush sit. You know, you don't want to tighten one end and then the other end can't be tightened because it's all tied up. It's where exactly does this sit?
All right, guys. So bolted up. The instructions said put the trans up before we put the slave on outside, but just did that to see what it looked like. It looks good. So this bolts up right here. Got the ZSpeed signal on there. You know, gang shit. You feel me? Like,
Shit is real.
yeah. So, and then this is gonna sit right here. Because once this is tight, then you're so much dirty. Use the from the old slave bleeder valve. We use this fitting. So it's male, both males. So we put one in here. We can put one on the line.
Got the steel braided line under there already.
Already, yeah. So yeah. We do not recommend any of this. We are professionals by trade, not by search. So as far as the drive shaft goes, we got a new center support bearing on here. Got him off eBay, and it works pretty good. You had to beat the old one off. Where the old one at? So the old one is right there. So you had to hammer these pieces, the middle pieces off. This comes off because the whole rubber was ripped. So that came right off. So what we gonna do now is slide the bad boy back in. Okay. Gotta do that off camera. Well, you get the gist, you know what I'm saying? Throw it back up, throw the exhaust back up, and fill her up with fluid. O2 sensor. Fogged up at O2 sensors. show you the other old one. Focus. Focus. And this one came out. Haven't changed these in years, so they did their job. So we've got the transmission back in. We've got the drive shaft with the new bearing on there. O2 sensors, figured I need to change them, but I can't get them in stores right now because they're not available. So I'm gonna just get those on Amazon, the Denso brand, because they're literally like a third of the price on Amazon. So I might have to wait a couple of days, but at least I could start the car up. I could, you know what I'm saying, make sure that everything is good and intact. And then, you know, maybe a week from now or so, I'll jack it back up again and put the new O2 sensors in, you know, lift the carpet up and get the other sensors in. But besides that, it's stick a fork in me because we are done, basically. So exhaust going back up, and then we should be good to go.
All right, so we are on the way to Collins to pick up another piece for the trans. It appears we're not getting full engagement or engagement at all. So now we gotta pick up this extra piece, which is, what's that shit called? Throw up bearing adapter. Right. We're just gonna have the throw up bearing sit a little closer so we can get throw and engagement. So it's gonna be like a 2-hour drive, but you know what I'm saying, wanted to add this in there. It did not go as smooth as we planned, but we're working the kinks out as we go.
If you think about it, it would be bolt on if it was directly be bolted on to,
right,
you know.
Right, if it was an OEM system, but because my system has a Collins adapter on there, that adapter had spacers on there to make up for the adaptation. Right. So now that I put in the CMAK kit, it took that 1 inch away, so now we got to put it back somehow. So hopefully that's what the adapter is going to do for us. So 2-hour drive there, 2-hour drive come back.
It's beautiful weather outside.
Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? So it helps not having to wait 5, 6, 7 days for it to come in, and another like $50 worth of shipping. So just wanted to update you guys.
We can keep the party going.
In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch, says she got feet. I'm out in the party. I'm on my bullshit, ready to get started. Bitch,
Yeah. All right, so trans is back out. We realized we weren't getting enough travel. So before I was saying my old slave and throw up bearing combo, like it had spacers behind here to push it forward like 1 inch, right? So now we got to make up for that inch, which we bought this Collins throw up bearing adapter that's gonna basically sit it forward. So as you can see, once the pins go in, it's gonna sit a little bit forward, and hopefully that will make up for the throw that we're missing. So that's where we at with it.
Markings.
All right. Perfect. So that's what the new bearings sitting forward. And you could tell now, like, what a grease mark is. We got a lot, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, we should be good. So we got him on the ground. We're gonna see if we get some engagement. Hopefully the battery don't die. Moments of truth.
So you guys know we installed the extended bearings adapter from Collins onto the whole ZSpeed swap for the slave and fork system.
side. That thing going in here.
Going through gears, downshifting. Oh yeah, that was definitely an accomplishment. We did that. We got a clutch to put in this bad boy too. That's for a next episode. Gotta clean up. And we still gotta put the exhaust in. We gotta get some O2 sensors. Those are coming in the mail. Throw the exhaust back up and we'll be good to go.
What's your take? What's your take on it?
It drives and it shifts.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I don't think we need to do much adjustments from now on.
Okay.
The job is complete.
Oh yeah. You love it?
Yeah,
Satisfied?
I love it. I love it,
bro. That's what up.
Sir.
We're in there. That's one for the books, bro. One for the books.
Thank you, Tested, 1, 2, 3. All right, so the machine outside, park up well nice. You see me? We got her done, cuz. It's a her.
Oh, my God.
We got her done.
We got her done.
We got her done. You know what I'm saying? She's out. She's shifting nicely. All that good stuff. He drove it. He said it feels amazing. Better than it has ever felt before in his previous lives. You know what I'm saying? And I really do believe that too. So much love for you guys watching the video. You see what I'm saying?
Definitely.
Leave a like a comment or something you don't know. Spread some good vibes. You see me? We're gonna be having a lot more videos on the way because we're gonna be doing some work. You see what I'm saying? And making moves in general. So yeah man. Stay tuned for that. Is it? So much love, much respect.